Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cancel and rearrange friendly match in Football Manager Mobile 2024, so you can rearrange your club fixtures. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can create your own tactic here, tab, and how you can manage your club, like motivate your player, and also how you can manage the finance. So you can get this game for free. It's from Netflix. If you make a subscription into Netflix app, you can get these games free. You can install it directly for free. And let's get started. Let's go to the fixture, and this one, fixtures. So this is the schedule or the fixture, the match fixture. What team that you face in, like in for example, the first one is 15 July. I'm facing who, so I can cancel this friendly match. Just tap arrange friendly. Sorry, let's get back. Let's tap fixture, this one. Tap the check circle and tap cancel friendly here, and the whole match will be not held. So if you wanna arrange friendly, you can do it also here. Tap arrange friendly, so you can choose the date and also choose the opponent that available in that date. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.